Hi everyone and welcome back to Blogging Good Food. In this video, let's talk about freezing fruits for smoothies. Smoothies are a delicious and refreshing way to get your daily dose of vitamins. Step 1. Wash the fruit thoroughly. Rinse the fruit under cold running water. Gently rub any fruits with a peel or skin, especially if they were grown commercially and not organic. Step 2. Inspect and dry the fruit. Pat the fruit dry with a clean paper towel. Discard any pieces that are bruised or damaged. Step 3. Prepare the fruit for cutting. If there are peels, pits or stems, remove them carefully, using a paring knife or vegetable peeler for this task. For some fruits, a spoon or melon baller might be helpful. Step 4. Choose a cutting method. Decide on the best way to cut your fruits for freezing. Bite-sized pieces are ideal for most uses. Some fruits, like strawberries, might only need to be halved, while others like mangoes might need to be diced. Step 5. Cut the fruit evenly. Use a sharp knife to cut the fruit into the desired size and shape. This will help ensure even freezing and future use. Step 6. Flash freeze the fruit. Spread the fruit pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the baking sheet in the freezer and freeze until solid, about 2-3 hours. Transfer to freezer bag. Carefully transfer the frozen fruit pieces to a freezer bag. Squeeze out any excess air before sealing the bag tightly. Label the bag with the fruit name and date. Bonus tip: label your freezer bags. Writing the date and type of fruit on the bag will help you keep track of what you have and how long it's been frozen. That's why you can always grab the perfect fruit for your next smoothie creation. Freezing fruit is a simple and effective way to preserve its freshness and create delicious smoothies anytime. For more tasty recipe ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website at www.blogginggoodfood.com.